welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today. And as you guessed it in the title, thumbnail, and my video right now, we are in the kitchen. I'm gonna share with you a cook and clean with me video. We're gonna be making delicious Dominican locrio de salami, which is Dominican rice with salami, the easiest dish, Dominican dish that you can make, and it's so good. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. I hope you guys can find this cleaning motivation video super helpful and can motivate you to clean that kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to give it a thumbs up, and to share this video if you found it helpful. And I'm also sharing a little kitchen tour from my new house, so stick around till the end so you guys can see a little mini kitchen tour. Now let's get started with this cook and clean with me video. Okay guys, so let's start with this locrio de salami. I have here my Dominican salami, which you can find in the meat section of your supermarket. But don't worry, if you can't find it, you can use bacon or sausage. We're also going to use this songoya seasoning to add some color. 3 garlic cloves finely chopped. I have here red onions finely chopped, red and green bell peppers as well, roughly chopped, and cilantro, fresh cilantro. I love cilantro. Now we're going to peel this off. That way we can cut our salami into chunks. And now we are ready to add it in my pot. I'm here cooking at medium-high heat, and I added 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. We're gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes until the salami starts to get some color. As you can see, we're gonna mix, and now we're ready to add our vegetables. So we have here the cilantro, the garlic, the onion, and the bell peppers. I'm gonna mix very well. And we're gonna start to season our salami. We're gonna start with the Goya packet, culantro y achote, to add some color. We're also gonna use a pinch of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Dominican oregano, this is the one I buy, or ground oregano leaf, and we're also gonna add salt to your liking, but I added about half a tablespoon of salt. We're also gonna add tomato sauce, and we're gonna mix very well. And now we're ready to add 4 cups of water. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this start to boil. In the meantime, I am gonna clean up a little bit the kitchen. So I'm just picking up a few of the plates and utensils that I left last night, putting them where it belongs. That way I can make room for more dishes that I'm gonna wash and I'm gonna place in my dish mat.
Till you came around, lost under the clouds, only gray skies. I know they always say this never happens, but it happened. I know it's what they say, but it did. I know they always say this never happens, but it happened. I know it's what they say, but it did.
Alrighty, so my water is starting to boil. Now we're ready to add 3 cups of rice, and I'm using jasmine long grain rice. Alrighty, we're gonna mix well. We're still cooking at medium-high heat. We're just gonna let this cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the rice starts to absorb the majority of the water, as you can see right here. So after the 3 minutes, we are going to lower the heat to low. We're gonna cover it up and cook for 30 minutes. While my rice is cooking, my locrio de salami is cooking, we're gonna start with our yellow sweet plantains. The darker it is, the sweeter it's going to be. And I find peeling the sweet plantains easier than the green plantains. I don't know why. We're just gonna peel this off, we're gonna cut it in half, and then we're gonna cut it in half some more. Alrighty, in my pan, a medium-high heat, we're ready to start frying our sweet plantains. We're gonna let this fry up for about 2 to 3 minutes, just for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna flip them over. Look how delicious. It's super quick side dish. And we're gonna let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes as well, and then we're gonna remove it from the oil, because basically our sweet plantains are done. And now for my delicious Dominican lunch or dinner. I have here my rice and Dominican salami, locrio de salami. We have our sweet yellow plantains and this quick and easy avocado salad. I just have here avocado as well as grape tomatoes, salt, and lemon juice. And that's about it. Quick and easy, delicious lunch or dinner idea that you guys can make. And of course, we're back to cleaning my messy kitchen. After lunch, I actually baked some cookies, so my cookie pan is right there. Let's get ready to start cleaning and have this kitchen nice clean for the next day to do it all over again.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes saying I'll be worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah. Nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen. We don't listen when we talk. We don't listen. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. Hey, I think that you're in over your head. Now I'm done talking. This time I might go out with my friends. And I don't want your sad blue eyes. You know everything about me, like I need my territory. So why are you still so needy? You're in over your head. Phone is ringing, always at a bad time. Every time you flash your name, always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break. 'Cause you love drama, forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, always about you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, but now you're so rude. 'Cause you love drama. So easy, but now I can't even get through.
Hey, yo, buddy. This is my mini tour of the kitchen. I have here water and some of my kitchen supplies. I love this kitchen frame. And here you go. We actually kept the same refrigerator that the old house owners had, because you know what, if it's working and it's not broke, then we can just stay with it and buy a future refrigerator near the future. But right now it works perfectly fine, and as well as the dishwasher. I don't even use the dishwasher, so that could stay there. It's okay. So here I have my fruits. We actually have like the letters there. More boxes there, guys. Still organizing. I of course have to get like some organization for the mail. And over here I have fruits. I also need another fruit basket with vegetables. These are all vegetables and fruits. I have some water there, my air fryer, and another fruit basket. Always, always, always eat your fruit, guys, and vegetables. So over here I have chips and things like that. My knife set, and actually the wine glasses didn't even fit in my drawers, so they will stay there with wine. Sauce. And how cute is my little decoration spot. I love that this kitchen has, you know, like a little spot where you can add some decoration. I actually want to buy a picture frame, a big one right there. Right now I don't have anything, but best believe I'm gonna find something to put there. I got this at Ross, and my mom actually gave me this little this is a dish soap, hand soap, and hand lotion, lemon theme, because my mom knows I love lemon theme kitchen. I actually copied it from her. She had it first and I'm like, oh, my kitchen's gonna be just like yours. And this is, I think she got this at Ross as well, and Ross iced coffee. And this is my stove. I got this at Home Goods as well, and this eat sign for the kitchen, which I love. And the rugs. Oh yeah, I got this garbage can in Home Depot, and this rug in Amazon, the lemon rug. So I have also a yellow washcloth right there so I can dry my hands, anything like that. Lemon rugs, lemon, my yellow pot. I mean, everything is yellow. I love yellow, you guys know that already. And this is my small kitchen. Give you a different angle.
I was feeling down till you came around, lost under the clouds.